In this video, I will guide you through how to fix PDF file not opening in WhatsApp. Recently, many people facing this problem. When you try to open any PDF file in WhatsApp, it's recommend you some random apps where you cannot open the PDF file. This is a WhatsApp bug. To fix it, first you need to update your WhatsApp from Play Store. If there are any update available for WhatsApp. As I am using the latest WhatsApp app, so I don't need to update the app. Now open your phone setting, then scroll down and go to apps option. Now tap on choose default apps. If you cannot find the setting, search here. From here, if you find any PDF reader option, tap on it and change the default PDF app. Now go back and search PDF here. If you have any PDF reader app, just open it and clear data from here. If you are using a Samsung device, then search Samsung Notes and clear data from your Samsung Notes app. Now search WhatsApp here and clear WhatsApp app data. Now go to permissions, then allow your storage permission. Now if you try to open your PDF from your WhatsApp, the problem should be fixed. If you still have the same problem, download any PDF reader app from Play Store, then try again. Or you can download the PDF file from WhatsApp and try to open it from your file manager. That's how you can fix this problem. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing the channel. Thank you.